super excited to have you on my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Mife. Thank you for always watching my videos on my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, put in the comment section that you're a returning subscriber. And if you are yet to subscribe or you are a new subscriber, just put in the comment section I just subscribed. So kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also make sure you like this video. Like this video, right? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 digital products that sells like crazy, how to make 300k monthly selling this digital product, right? So I'm going to be explaining to you how this digital product can bring in income for you passively to your bank account. So you don't have to do anything physical, you just need your smartphone or your laptop, right? And it's going to be simple step-by-step process. So I'm going to show you how to go about that. Now let's move ahead. So what are digital products? Digital products are information-based solutions packaged, delivered digitally without spending so much money to create, package, and deliver it. Now, simple definition is that you don't have to start anything physical with digital product. Digital product, everything just has to do with using your smartphone or your laptop to prepare the information based solution, right? So I'm going to give you the different types of digital products you can create and you can sell. Okay, so if you want to start a physical product based business, you will need huge capital to start. But a digital product business requires little or no capital to start. For instance, I have a client who I worked with. She um, wanted to create an online course from a business knowledge on CAC business registration. Guess what? Everything that I showed her to use for creating her online course using her smartphone, she did not spend a dime. There was no money involved in creating her online course. All she did was to use free tools. Free tools. I'm going to be showing you this digital product you can create and sell without spending. You most of these digital products you don't even have to spend a dime. Everything is done with free tools, right? So for instance, I recently got paid 50,000 naira for my coaching session in my coaching business without leaving my house or using any capital at all. My coaching business, yes, there are advanced aspects of the business that I need to invest in running ads and some other things. But when you're starting out, you don't have to spend so much starting out. Of course, when you want to grow a business, you have to spend. But when you want to start any of these digital products, you don't have to spend so much money to start. You can start with your smartphone and grow from there. That's what I'm saying. Because sometimes people ask me question, what business can I start that will not require so much capital? You can start digital product business. You don't need to spend so much capital, right? Now, let's move ahead. Why should you sell digital products? Why should you sell digital products? They don't require huge capital to create and start. They don't require huge capital to create and start, like I said. Number two, you do not need to rent a shop or office to start. So you do not need to leave your house to go and start a digital product business. You do not need to rent a shop and start paying annual rent or monthly rent, or you do not need to go and look for an office to start a digital product business. No, you do not need delivery issues to start. You don't need to say, okay, I have customer will say, okay, is it pay on delivery, is it pay after delivery? No, 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 you do not need that. You do not need delivery issues to start digital product business or to sell digital product. You can earn passively even when you do not want to create another one. So a digital product that I created in 2019, 2020, I still make money from it now as long as I market it, right? So I do not need to consistently create more digital product if I don't want to. I can make money passively just by selling the digital product I created in 2019. That's the beauty about selling digital products, so that you can earn passively from a digital product you created 5 years ago, 10 years ago. All you just have to do is upgrade it, refurbish it so that it makes more sense, right? And fit into your present day. Now the last one is you have the freedom to sell to many people without leaving your home. You can stay in your house and sell your digital product to 1,000 people, even more, without leaving the house, and it will get to them wherever they are because it is digital. You can use email, you can use WhatsApp, you can use Facebook, you can use different platforms, seller.co, Google Drive, Mega Drive, etc. Right? So these are the powerful reasons you need to start selling digital products. If you have not sold a digital product before, you have not created one and start selling, then this is the time to start because these reasons are powerful. If you're getting value from this video, put it in comment section, I am getting value, and put it in comment section that you want to start selling digital products. Put it in comment section you want to start selling digital products. If you're yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also do not forget, like this video, share it with your friends, right? Okay, so let's move to the first digital product. The first digital product is ebooks. Ebooks, right? Now ebooks simply means a PDF that you put together, put information in the PDF, and you sell, right? So it doesn't have to be complicated. You can use Google Docs to write the book. Then you give a designer, if you don't want to do it yourself, give a professional designer to design the ebook for you, the cover, the interior. But if you say, okay, I don't have money to start that, then you can use Canva to design the ebook cover, and also you can use Canva to do the interior. Right now, if you want me to do a video to show you how you can use Canva to create your ebook and to also design the interior, put it in comment section that you want me to do a video on how you can use Canva to create an ebook and also how you can design the ebook. Put it in comment section, let me know. All right, so you can use Canva. Then there are other platforms also, but Canva is the most popular one, right? So ebook simply means you have a specific information that you want to share with a specific audience, and you sell that ebook to them, right? For instance, maybe you choose a niche in the area of marriage and relationship. You can create an ebook for singles, you can create an ebook for married people, maybe on parenting, on sex, on communication. So there are different aspects. Ensure that it is a high demanding topic. Don't just create an ebook and say you want to start making money from it. So you have to ensure that it is a high demanding topic, a high demanding solution that people are going to pay for, right? So that's the first digital product. Now the second digital product is online courses. Online courses, this one I love it so much because I don't have to write anything. All I just have to do is record with my smartphone or with my laptop, right? It's so beautiful, right? So online courses, powerful. You don't need to, even though you don't have a laptop, you can use a smartphone, right? I told you that I worked with a client recently who was able to create her online course using her smartphone. She didn't spend any money. She did not spend a dime to create the course. All she did was use her smartphone and free tools like Canva, Google Drive, free tools. No need of spending any amount of money, right? So you can create an online course. Now I already have a playlist on making money from online courses, how I create my online courses in a day. So I'll put a link above this video to get access to that playlist that will show you more details about online courses, right? So that is about online courses. Now the next digital product that sells like crazy is online academy. Now this is a bit different from online courses. Now online academy is more like getting people in to learn a specific skill or learn a specific topic. For instance, I have what I call Purpose Clarity Academy. Now in Purpose Clarity Academy, it's an 8 weeks group coaching program for people who they have found their purpose, but they are still struggling to know the right steps to take to fulfill their purpose and make money from it, or they are still confused about their purpose. They don't know, okay, should I still go ahead with this purpose? They are still confused, so they need coaching. They don't want a course, they want coaching. So this online academy guides them on finding their purpose, fulfilling it, and making money from their purpose, right? And also there are assignments, projects to be done, and some other things, right? So it's a whole lot. So an online academy is You pick a specific topic and guide the students through that specific topic, breaking it down with curriculum. So it's different from an online course. An online course is they watch it, but an online academy involves that there is a support group, there are interactions, right, with the students. So it's a bit different from online courses. So a lot of people make money from online academy, right? So you can create an online academy depending on the niche you pick, whether it's marriage, finances. So you just have an online academy for that, right? Now the next one is online challenge. Online challenge. Now if you're getting value from this video, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also ensure you like this video. All right, so online challenge, I love online challenge because it gives you this opportunity to interact. It gives you this opportunity to interact with the people, right? So online challenge is basically about challenging people to achieve a particular task or to get a particular result, right? So for instance, I have an online challenge which I call 7 days launch your online course challenge, right? So for the reason why I created this challenge is for people who have watched courses but they are still struggling to launch their online course. They are afraid to launch their online course, they are procrastinating to launch their online course, they are lazy to launch their online course. Then that challenge is for you, right? You know that you already know what you want to create as an online course, but the challenge is you're procrastinating, you're lazy, you're afraid that will people buy my online course and things like that. Or maybe you have tried to launch one and it didn't work out and you're like, I don't want to launch an online course again. Then the challenge is for you. So you can create an online challenge around your knowledge, around your experience. So maybe you're into weight loss, you're into fashion. So it depends on your niche, right? So you can create an online challenge around that, right? So you can also create an online challenge around your results. So maybe you're good at saving every month a particular amount, maybe 100k every month. You have been doing it for a long time. You can do an online challenge on savings challenge, 100k in 13 days savings challenge. Maybe you're good in reading books and you have been doing this for a while and it has been helping you. Then you can do a book reading challenge, right? So it depends on what you're good at or what you have results in, right? So that's another digital product that sells like crazy. Then the next one is group coaching program. I just told you that I have group coaching program. So these are the digital product that sells like crazy that you can start selling, right? So all you just need to do is have a particular result that you can help people to achieve, right? So it depends on the particular result you can help people achieve. For instance, I have my group coaching program called Sell Your Brain Group Coaching Program. This is specifically for business owners, working professionals, and individuals who want to convert their knowledge into a knowledge-based business, like the digital product-based business. So maybe they want to start their coaching program, they want to launch their online courses, but they need coaching. They don't want a course, they don't want a challenge, they want a coaching program, right? So that's where my group coaching program comes in, to help you to launch your knowledge-based business, profitable knowledge-based business, and start making 6 figures every month, right? So group coaching is all about getting a group of people together and coaching them to achieve a particular result. So it can be in marriage, it can be finances, it can be academics, it can be career, it can be business, depending on the niche you're going to be picking, right? So that's for the digital product 6, which is group coaching. Then the last one, which I'll talk about, is one-on-one coaching, right? This one is a bit different because you're working with someone one-on-one, right? So you can create this digital product and make money from it, right? Now, of course, this is a bit different, so the charges will be different. You don't want to be charging peanuts for one-on-one coaching because it's more interactive and more draining. So you should be careful when it comes to one-on-one coaching. So these are the 7 digital products you can create. And if you're afraid that, okay, what if I create a digital product and nobody buys? Now I've done a video on how you can sell your digital product and make sales from it. I'll put a link above this video and also in the description, so you can get access to the video on how you can sell digital product. Now if you like to work with me one-on-one or in my group coaching session on how to launch your digital product business and make money from digital products, you can check the comment section for a link where you can book a session with me, so we can see if you're fit for my coaching program on how you can launch your own digital product business. All right, so I'll see you in the next video where I'll come share something amazing with you. Do not forget, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Also share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.